let's take an empty activity. Grocery. Grocery shopping app. Once it's ready, I will start with copying the images. So let me remind you, I will create a spinner at the top, and in the spinner I'll put three categories: fruit, vegetables, and meat. Then a list view. In the list view, let's put three columns: the product, the product price, and a small picture showing the product. Then let the user choose which product they want to purchase and the quantity, and add to the cart. Besides this, we need to let the user be able to see the cart anytime. So we will put a small button named cart. When the user clicks there, can go to another activity to see the cart. The content of the cart, we will show them in a list view. What exactly we're gonna show? The name of the product, the quantity, and the total price. No need to show any more pictures because the user already has seen the pictures. So we're gonna show quantity because the quantity is important to remind the person how much or how many pieces is buying. So the product name, quantity, and the total price. Now it's not the price, it's the total price. And what if the user wants to remove any product from the shopping cart? All what they need to do is just click. So clicking the shopping cart means remove from the shopping cart. Removing from the shopping cart means what? Subtracting the total. Don't forget this. So we have a lot of things to do. First of all, let me get the pictures. Apple, banana, beans, beef, carrot, chicken, eggplant, fish, grapes, lamb, onion, orange, pork, and potato. Uh, copy, copy, and let's go to map, paste. Done. Now, before we start, let me create a class, Java class of product. The product has what? Has category. Let's call it prod cat. It has name, so prod name. It has price. Double prod price. It has image, so string prod img. Generate, constructor, all of them, and generate getter, all of them. Fine. Now let me create a new Java class for the cart, for the shopping cart. In the cart, guys, what exactly I told you in the cart, we want to show the product name, quantity, total. So we're gonna have string item name and double total price and integer quantity, items quantity. Let's create or let's generate constructor and getter. Now let's go to the design. Hello world. Hello, hello, hello. Hello from the other world. From the other side. I changed the song. Okay. Not hello world, it's grocery app. 24 bold. We will start with the categories. So let me get a spinner. This is spinner here. For the categories. Category. and this is the spinner. Cat spinner. Cat sp. Okay, and oh, cat sp. Cat sp. I didn't click enter. I didn't press enter. Cat sp, and we put it. Okay, now the list view. The list view. The list view is smaller, but it takes the full width. The ID is product LV. Let's constrain it from all sides. Then the user will choose what item they want to purchase. Then the user has to select the quantity. It's much similar to yesterday's example. Seek bar. The seek bar, the maximum value, suppose it's 20. We need to show the quantity as we always do. Let's show it here. And the txt quantity, and it's 1 as minimum. And the user will add to the cart. So button here, btn add. Add to cart. We need another button to show the cart. You know, we can show the cart here, but no, I want to do it in another activity, and another activity. Why? Because let's see how we can go to another activity with taking the content of the cart with us. So here, ptn cart, show cart, and the last button is place order. btn order place order. I think I forgot to show the total, so let me show the total down here. Total amount, another text view, txt total. Eighteen years old. 18 old. 18, even this number. Make it 18. We can remove the placeholder down. No, we have to break the. We have to break this here. This order, break this here, break this here, make it down. Text view, make it a little up, return the constraint and return the constraints for this. Okay. Now guys, the txt5, the total doesn't have constraints. Let's constrain it. Now what? Now let's create XML for the columns of the list view. So to do this, let me go to layout here, right click, new XML layout XML file, list underscore row, and make sure the root is linear layout. Finish. Let's start off showing the picture, the image. An image view. Put the image view here. Project. Let me choose Apple. It's just randomly. For the width, it will be changed when I add another. I'll add another item here. Text view. The text view here is txt name, and another text view which is txt price. Now let's change here. Okay, the text view here, make it bold, 18. This text view, make it bold, and 18. For the height, the image view height is 70. Let's say it's 70. And 55 for the width. For the name, let's make the width. Let me have a look. 55 is not bad. Let's make it 60 here. 60 dp. And the height is 70 dp. It could be more than 70. Let's say it's 75. And here 50 dp is enough. The height has to be the same, 75 dp. Okay, now let's create the other activity. Activity, empty activity. The second activity, let me call it shopping, or not shopping, let me call it cart activity. Cart activity, finish. In the cart activity, I need to show the cart. So, where is the cart activity? It's here. I need to show the cart. Let me start with a title. The shopping cart. Then list view. For this list view, let me use cart LV as a list view and constrain it from 4 sides. And a button back. btn back, back. Back, back, back. Capital B. Okay. Now I need details here. So I have to go to the layout, new, XML. Now this one, let me call it cart underscore row. Cart underscore row. Now in the cart, I need to show a text representing the product name. So here, cart prod name txt. It has to be txt at the beginning. Txt cart prod name, and I need another text view to show the quantity. Txt cart prod quantity, and another text view represent the txt cart prod total. Let me make all of them 18 size and bold. Okay, now what I need two customization of the the the, the what the what do you remember? Products adapter. Yep. And I need cart adapter. Product adapter must extend what? Base adapter. So we will implement the required methods. Always, guys, it's not a choice, it's always when you are creating the adapter, you have to put two attributes. The first one is a array list. So array, we can put private array list of what? Product. Alt enter. What's the name of the array list? It's prod data, and private inflator or layout inflator inflator. Then we need to create the constructor, which is public cart. Oh, I'm here doing the cart adapter or the product adapter. This is the cart adapter. Okay. This is the cart adapter, not the product adapter. So here I will not take it from product, I'll take it from cart. And here I call it cart data. So public cart adapter context comma array list cart data. This dot cart data equals cart data, and inflator equals new layout inflator no no, it's not a new layout inflator equals inflator from layout inflator dot from context. Guys, are you with me? Now the count, what is it? It's the cart data dot size. Item, what's the item? It's the cart data dot get I, that's it, and the item is I. Now let's create the view holder class. Static view holder. For the view holder, static class view holder. For the view holder, we need one image view. No, sorry. The cart. What do we have for the cart? We have 3 text views. That's it. Text view. What are the 3 text views? Cart, road, name. We can put them together in one line. Cart, road, price. No, it's not price, it's quant. And cart, road, total. Right? Now, here, view holder equals new view holder. If holder, if a view, not holder, if a view equals null, what we will do? If view equals null, what we need to do? We need to initialize the text views here. So it's gonna be holder dot hodler. I write here holder. So here holder dot prod cart prod name equals view dot find view by ID r dot ID. Oh, wait. Before this, I need to assign which XML file we are talking about. Anyways, I can continue here, then I'll do that. Dot txt cart prod name. How can we assign that this view is related? Holder. Why it's holder? Holder. That's it. Okay. Do you remember the statement which we connect between this adapter and the XML file? Holder dot cart prod query equals view equals view. Guys, give me that statement, check what is it and give it to me. Find the view by ID r.id dot txt quantity and holder dot total equals view dot find the view by ID r dot id dot txt prod total. So here the initializing of the view is inflator dot inflate r dot layout dot which layout? It's cart row null comma null. Else before else we need here to do something which is holder dot view dot set tag holder. Else view dot else holder equals view dot get tag. Holder equals view dot get tag. No. Just view dot get tag. Now we need to give values to each one of items like cards, holder dot cards, prod name dot set text. It's text coming from card data dot get I dot get what item name, and holder dot quantity dot set text is string dot value of card data dot get I dot get quantity. Where is the quantity? Okay, item quantity here. And holder dot card row total dot set text string dot format, because I'm not sure about what we will have here, %.2f comma card data dot get I dot get total price, and return here what here. Okay, now let's do the product here. For the product we need array list from what? From the product products. Let's call it products. Then layout inflator and don't forget to extend base adapter. So you need to implement methods, all of them. The constructor public products adapter, context, comma, array list, product, products. This dot products equals products, and inflator equals layout inflator dot from context. Here we will return the products dot size. Here we will return products dot get I. Here we return I. Then go down and static class view holder has image view img, and it has two text views. What are the two text views? Product name, comma, and prod price. Now here view holder equals new view holder. If view dot if a view equals none, what we will do, inflator equals view dot layout, no, what is it, dot inflate. So inflator dot inflate r dot layout dot list row, comma, null. Then for the image, guys, do you remember what we have to do? Integer id equals view dot get resources dot get identifier. Now the name of the image is coming from products dot get I dot get image, comma. The name of the folder is map, yeah, map, yeah, map, that's correct, comma. Now I need the package name. Do you remember how we get the package name yesterday? Yes. Get context. Inflator.content or view. View.context get context dot get package name. Yes, we have to initialize find view by ID. So holder dot image equals view dot find view by ID r dot ID dot image view and holder dot product name equals view dot find view by ID r dot ID dot txt name holder dot price equals view dot equals what's wrong, view dot find view by ID r dot ID dot txt price. Guys, when you have so many designs or XML files, you have to differentiate precisely between IDs of tools or components. Why? Here we want the list row, but when you press dot, you see all, and it could happen that you confused and you use something else, then you will get an exception and it will kill you to know what is the problem of this exception. So try to be precise when you put IDs for text views, image views, whatever, to not fall in this problem. So here dot txt price, it doesn't here tell you the txt price in which XML, which one in which XML. So you have to remember the names upon the names you are choosing. That's why you should choose names correctly. Then view dot set tag holder, else view dot get tag. Then here we have getting the ID, then holder dot mig dot set image resources ID. Then holder dot prod name dot set text is from products dot no, it's not. Which I did to show. Get I. Oh yeah, it should not. That's correct. Dot what's the product name? If it's Python, then it will cause a problem for the indentation because that's about Python. Here doesn't matter. Holder dot prod price dot set text is string dot value of products dot get I dot get prod price. Finally, return holder, return view. Okay, let's go to the main activity. Let me close some of these here. The main activity. In the main activity, okay, no problem, we can have a break right now.